video.
So in today's video, we'll be showing you guys our night routine.
So this is usually our night routine when we do when we shoot our videos or we go out. So after that we do this night routine.
But usually our night routine consists of like 4 basic steps that are cleanser, face wash, toner and then night essence. Our night routine has similar steps because we have like same combinational skin.
So yeah, if you want to see how our night routine is,
Then keep on watching.
So the first thing that we use is this hyaluronic acid makeup removing wipes, and it is well known for its skin benefits like reducing the appearance of fine lines. The next thing that we are using is this cleansing lotion from Nutri, and we are just massaging it onto our face. We just wipe it off with a facial mist. If you don't have any facial mist, you can just use rose water. Now we use our Garnier's face wash. So the next thing that we use is this papaya tan removal scrub from Biotique. It exfoliates the skin and gives a natural glow. This works amazing for our skin. So next thing is this tea tree blackhead pore strip. This is one of the best strips we have ever used as it removes blackheads and dirt. This works pretty amazing. So our second last step is this oil control balancing toner from Miniso. It's a beautiful toner. So our final step is this Lavender Essence. We just massage it onto our face. And then we use this tea tree oil as a spot treatment for our acne.
So that is pretty much it for our night routine. Like, share and subscribe.
bye.